Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel and my review of the Thrunite T1S. As you can see, it's got some nice texture for enhanced grip. It's got a two-way pocket clip which you can remove if you so choose. It's got some extra surface area here to help deal with heat. And it's got a TIR lens, which stands for Total Internal Reflection. Here are the stats on the light. So as you can see, it has 5 brightness levels, one special mode which is strobe, maximum lumens 1212, maximum beam distance 184 meters, and you can see all the run times for each mode there as well. This also has a lanyard hole there, and it has a magnet in the tail. All right, Spyderco Endura. So you can use this as a work light. Comes with some accessories. A recharging cable, which is USB to Type-C, rapid recharging. Comes with a lanyard, extra O-rings, extra port cover, and it comes with that 18350 battery itself. All right, but first, how to operate this light? Well, to turn it on, press the side switch. To turn it off, press the side switch. It has mode memory as well. Once it's on, you can cycle through low, medium, and high. Let's do that now. Low, medium, and high. Now, if you double tap, you get turbo. Wow, it's pretty bright. If you triple tap, you get strobe. Alright, warning, we're going to strobe ya. And that's the strobe. When it is off, if you long press, you can get to Firefly mode, which is an ultra low mode. Alright, it's ultra low. Now if you keep pressing until that turns off, you go to lockout. Alright, so let's lock it out. Alright, so now it's locked. To unlock it, just long press it again until you get that Firefly again. Alright, and now it is unlocked. Alright, so that's pretty simple controls. Alright, to get out that battery, just unscrew the head from the body of the light. And this is the battery that it does come with. Alright, 18350, you see the capacity there. In order to recharge that battery in the light, hook up the cable to any power source, USB power source. This is a power bank. Right, and there is a charging indicator underneath the side switch. Now I don't know if you can see that with the studio lights, but basically it'll glow red when it's recharging and it will glow blue when it is fully charged. Here is a size comparison with another EDC easy to carry light that I've previously reviewed. You can check out my previous review of this. This is an Olight S1R Baton 2. A little bit more expensive, definitely, than this Thrunite, but here is the comparison. This uses a little bit larger battery, right? But this is also a little bit brighter. Now Thrunite actually requested that I do a head-to-head comparison with another light in the same category, and because I've reviewed this, they know I have this. When I roll in the footage from outside, I will do some shots with this. You know, if a company requests, they want me to show some competition, I'm more than happy to do that. Equal opportunity. I review lights from all different brands. Alright, so at this time I'm going to roll in some outside demonstration footage with this light, and then we will come back for final thoughts. Okay, YouTube, we're out on the testing board with this Thrunite flashlight. This is the low mode. Let's cycle through the brightness levels. Got low, medium, focus, okay. This is the high mode. Double tap for turbo. Wow. Nice and bright, definitely. Alright, warning, we're going to strobe. That's the strobe. Alright, let's do the Firefly mode. I don't know if you can see that, but that is Firefly mode. There you go. All right, let's do turbo again. Wow, nice and bright. Okay, and as I promised, I am going to do a head-to-head beam shot comparison with that O-light. Okay, so once again, this is the Thrunite in turbo mode. Oh, got trucks going by. All right, this is the Thrunite in turbo mode, and now let's check out the O-light. Okay, here's the O-light. Let's go through its modes. And turbo. All right, so that is the O-light in turbo mode. All right, pretty bright, pretty bright. Definitely, O-light's a good competitor. Okay, let's check out the Thrunite once again. And here is the Thrunite in turbo mode. All right, so both excellent compact lights. All right, YouTube, I'm on the road with this Thrunite. Let's cycle through the modes and let's see what we can see. This is a high mode. Let's go turbo. All right. Well, nothing on this road. Of course, this is the road of no lights. Let's just walk around, and if your car broke down and let's say this is all you had, what would you see? Oh, does a pretty good job of lighting your way. All right, here is a top view of the Thrunite. Now you see what that lens does. All right, let's get behind it. All right, YouTube, we've got some Frog Creek action with this Thrunite. Let's go turbo. Nice. All right, look how this lights everything up. Let me strobe it around so you can see. Up to the treetops. Frog Creek is flowing pretty strongly now because of the melting snow. There's the waters of Frog Creek. This light is doing an excellent job. All right, and as promised, a comparison with the O-light. All right, so this is the Thrunite, and now let's check out that O-light. And this is that O-light. All right, so this does an excellent job as well. I mean, these are two great competitors. So that's the O-light, and again, you can check out the full review. And here's the Thrunite again. Well, I'm pretty pleased with this light, especially for the price. Okay, what's up, YouTube? I'm on the sports field. I'm standing in the center of the field. Turbo. Wow. Okay, wow, you can clearly see the goal, right? So that goal is 50 meters away. Now I did try it at 100 meters and I could see the goal, but the camera could not, okay? Because the human eye is a lot better than a camcorder in low light conditions. But this should give you a good idea of the range of this light. Yeah, awesome. All right, so that's 50 meters with this Thrunite. All right, and just so you know that I am in the center of the field, here's one goal. Let's look at the other goal. Where is it? There you go. All right, and those are my footprints. So yeah, and there's nothing here. Man, it's freaking cold out here. It's well below freezing. Well below freezing. No one else is dumb enough to come out here. But I do not mind. Best job in the world, man. YouTube reviewer, best job in the frickin' world. I get paid to play around. Okay, and once again, the competition light, this O-light, let's go turbo. Hold on. See, the O-light stepped down because it is so freaking cold, and lithium-ion batteries do not do well in the cold. So this O-light, it's own. You see the, and this was fully charged. This is fully charged, and still, you see the little battery indicator. So it's not at it. It can't hit its turbo. So I'm gonna. This is as bright as it gets right now. I can still see the goal. There's the goal. So this is 50 meters with the O-light. So that's the Olight in the high mode. You can see the gull. Alright YouTube, we are back. I hope you liked that. So, what are my final thoughts on this Thrunite light? Well, I think the strong point of it is that it's very compact, it's very easy to carry, it weighs less than 2 ounces, and yet it is very bright for such a small size. I mean, around 1200 lumens, and pretty decent range as well with that TIR lens. Right, so a nice everyday carry, pocketable light, right? And I mean, it's a very attractive light as well. I mean, I like how they've machined this. Look at that. I checked the price on this, and it's currently around $40. However, they had a 10% off coupon on the listing, and you don't need a code or anything. You just click the link. I'll include a link, and if that coupon is still there, you just click on a little box on Amazon and you get 10% off at checkout. So this is going for around $36. That's a good price, I gotta say. $36 for a light like this with its capabilities. That's definitely very good. You know, if this were some other brands, like if this were an Olight, you'd probably be paying $30 more for something kind of similar. So yeah, I can't argue with the price. That's an excellent price. So if you need an everyday carry light of this size, yeah, I definitely recommend this. Jump on that. I'll include the links in the text description box if you want to pick one up, and I'll also include a link to Thrunite's website if you want to order directly from them. Alright YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this review. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Lights. I'm out.